Hey Choc Nation, it's your girl Choc and I am back with another Vlogmas video. And in this video, we definitely gonna talk about this EOS holiday scent collection. And we are also going to get into the Dove holiday scent collection. We're gonna talk about some press-on nails and we're gonna get into some new gel polishes from Dashing Diva. So let's get into it. Hey Choc Nation, it's your girl Choc and I am back with another Vlogmas video. Okay, first of all, this vlog is about to start off with a bang because I'm so tired of these influencers lying to y'all about this EOS holiday scent collection. Don't get me wrong, I love EOS down. I have almost every lotion that they make. But this holiday collection was kind of underwhelming when it comes to the fragrances. The peppermint definitely gives icy hot or Bengay. It does not give minty or pepperminty. The cocoa cashmere gave absolutely no cocoa. Like, it barely has a cocoa scent. But this caramel cashmere, now that one is that girl. It definitely gives vanilla caramel, like a sweet buttery toffee popcorn or caramel corn. It almost smells like Crunch and Munch. But the cocoa cashmere and the peppermint cashmere did not give what it was supposed to give. So the only one out of the collection that smells good is the caramel cashmere. So boom, I said it. That's my honest review. Now, this is not the holiday collection from EOS, but vanilla cashmere will forever be that girl, okay? This is I wouldn't say it's my favorite one because pistachio is my number one, but vanilla cashmere is my number 2 favorite EOS scent. And they have it in a whipped oil butter. They have it in a body oil. They have the vanilla cashmere body mist and the body lotion. This one I highly recommend, 10 out of 10. I came across Dove's like whole holiday collection. And I heard Dove's holiday collection smells so delicious and edible. So this is for all my gourmand girls that like to smell like things that are edible, like cake or cookies or ice cream, marshmallows and stuff like that. We are going to get into this collection and see what it's giving. So let's just get right on into it, baby. Okay, so we're gonna get into the body spray right now to see if it really smells like gingerbread delight. See. It does.
Let me get on there.
Hey! So, gingerbread delight is very delightful and it's a 10 out of 10. Okay, now let's smell the body wash. The body wash is giving the same. This body scrub looks so delicious. I want to eat it. Oh, yeah. This smells like a gingerbread cinnamon candle. This one got a little extra kick to it. The body scrub is a little stronger than the body wash. And the deodorant smells so good too. Now in Dove's holiday collection, they also have a sugar cookie sprinkle scent. And when I saw this, I was like, ooh, I have to smell it. I gotta scratch and sniff. This does not give sugar cookie sprinkle, but it does smell good. It smells kind of peachy, like strawberries and cream, but not really sugar cookie sprinkle. Now, I also had to scratch and sniff the frosted plum berry scent because when I hear frosted plum berries, it makes me think about some ice cold, juicy, frozen berries. So let's see if that's what it's giving. Frosted plum berry, let's see. This one smells like a vanilla plum. It's very like creamy, vanilla-y, plummery. It smells good. Let's see what the spray is giving. Oh, ooh. They also have hot cocoa swirl. But this one does not have a body spray. But I want to open this body scrub and see what the hot cocoa swirl is giving. Oh my God. Get out of my video.
Hey, it's straight cheeks though.
He said the hot cocoa smell like cheeks. No, it don't.
Straight
You, like I was saying, this hot cocoa smell just like a
Straight
warm
buns.
cup of hot cocoa. He don't like chocolate, so that's why he is hating.
Straight buns.
Anyways, this smell
Straight-
bomb.
no, it is
Don't
not.
trust the 15-year-old
Hey, trust
and what
me.
he talking about.
I'm a
He-
youngin.
He don't know.
Hey, this is
Youngins
auntie.
don't know shit.
Straight buns, guys. Straight buns. Don't get it. It's buns. When I tell you straight buns, it's buns.
They got the bloom on clearance for $14.99. This is regularly like $30, so that's like 50% off. For the girls that know. For the girls that get it. You better get you some of that bloom. So I actually came in here for nails because I haven't got no nails from Target in a long time. So I'm heading to the nail section. Now, usually my Target has a wide selection of nails, but they had a whole bunch of chill tips and only a little bit of kiss nails. And the chill tips, they are really cute, but they are definitely pricey, $15.99. And I understand that they come with a lot of things in them. They come with 30 nails, a nail filer, buffer, glue, and a cuticle stick. But baby, we shops on a budget, okay? And $15.99 for the same type of nails that I could get for at least $5 cheaper or more, I ain't doing it. I ain't going. So chill tips need to chill. But anywho, they had a whole section of Dashing Diva, and of course I had to come take a little look and see what was going on. They have a whole bunch of chrome powder kits. Let's get into them. So it includes one chrome powder, one gel top coat, and an applicator, so you can do like your own chrome nails for the DIY girlies that love to do their own sets. They also had this Dashing Diva one-step LED gel polish starter kit. It comes with a curing light and one gel polish, which is really cute because when you get gel polish you have to have a curing light to cure it. So I love that they put the polish and the LED nail lamp together. And they also have the Dashing Diva gel nail polishes in so many cute different colors. Like, just get into all these super cute gel colors, and Dashing Diva is really that girl. We're not even gonna get into the finery. We're gonna save this for a whole nother video because I love finery. You want to be in my video, so don't run because he want to be in my video so bad. Oh my god, he love his auntie, y'all. Okay, but that's it for today's vlog, Choc Nation. I hope y'all enjoyed today's vlog and this video. I hope you saw some stuff that you liked, and next time you in Target, make sure you pick up the items that I showed you guys in this video, and I will see y'all in the next one.
Peace.